Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set credit utilization alerts in Trim. Do you want to stay on top of your credit usage? Well, Trim lets you set credit utilization alerts so you never go overboard. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Trim app and log into your account. Then, head to the credit section and then tap on credit monitoring or alerts, of course, depending on your app layout. Then you're going to look for the option called utilization alerts, or it could be called credit usage notifications. Here you'll be able to set a custom percentage limit, for example 30%. But what exactly does this mean? Well, if your credit card balance ever reaches more than 30% of your credit limit, Trim will instantly send you a notification. This helps you avoid hurting your credit score. You can adjust this threshold at any time, of course, based on your goals, whether you're trying to improve your credit score or avoid high interest debt. Trim also shows you a real-time snapshot of your credit utilization across all linked cards, so you'll always know exactly where you stand. Alerts can be sent via push notifications, email, or both. You can manage those in the notification settings. That's it. Set it once and Trim will handle the rest, helping you build better habits and keeping your credit score healthy. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to dispute credit report errors via Trim. So hit like and subscribe and turn on the bell so you're always in control of your money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.